more glossy than the actual original manufacturer finish of the paint. But we're going to be using Vvivid's Ultimate Tint Dark Smoke and Light Smoke. Light smoke on the front, dark smoke on the back. Basically nothing better than this on the market as far as an air release tint goes. You can't get something that's easier to install because it has an air release to it, so it means it tacks when you want it to. This tint comes with a protective cap, a PET release liner, which makes it super glossy. It doesn't slide around like a PPF. It makes it a lot easier to install. Now, couldn't you do this with a PPF? It's gonna be a lot more difficult to do. But the fact that this has an air release to it and you can't even see the air release in the actual tint itself is incredible. It's as glossy, if not more glossy than the actual original manufacturer finish of the paint. This gives the car a nice aggressive look. It looks fantastic when it's all finished up. Again, the appearance wise, it's amazing. And if you haven't used this yet, you're gonna have to try it out because it is awesome.